With more and more people from different walks of life speaking out against the growing intolerance in the country, or what they perceive as the growing intolerance in the country, the pressure is now growing on the government, which has been defiant in the face of protests so far. To keep the pressure up, a Congress-backed think tank is organizing a two-day conference from Friday, bringing together the people who have lashed out at the Modi government in the recent past.
Eminent historians and intellectuals at the forefront of the intolerance war will be hosting a two-day conference starting this Friday. And the BJP is sure to call it an agenda to defame the central government. The conference will feature the who's who of the intellectual landscape, ranging from Romila Thapar to Professor Irfan Habib.
मैं तो CPIM का मेंबर हूँ और जो भी मुझे कोई प्लेटफॉर्म देता है अपनी बात कहने के लिए उसको कहता हूँ। कांग्रेस किसी को बुलाए तो वो क्या वहाँ जाने में कोई हर्ज है कहीं की? उनको मालूम है मैं CPIM का हूँ, लेकिन जवाहरलाल नेहरू की तो हम भी इज्जत करते हैं, वो भी इज्जत करते हैं।
Well, Romila Thapar, Irfan Habib have been writing for decades, even before some of us were born. Now they are respected historians. People may have difference when it comes to their particular ideological viewpoint. But what is more important is, if a platform is created on which everybody is invited, I don't think anybody is excluded. So we do not believe in exclusion.
Despite the intellectuals in Congress dismissing all allegations of an alliance being formed, the BJP stands firm on its ground. This after Finance Minister Arun Jaitley called it a manufactured protest, while others allege that the Congress party is instigating intellectuals to defame Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
You've just basically linked these three incidents because there's no fourth. और फिर आप कह रहे हो कि ओहो इतना इंटॉलरेंस हो गया। मुझे लगता है कि ये जो इंटॉलरेंस का जो शब्द डाले ये बहुत आराम से डाला जा सकता है बीजेपी पर, लेकिन it looks like an international conspiracy to defame the government.
Many of these personalities are participating in the conference, and they have all attacked the Modi government for giving rise to an intolerant culture in the country, leading to a vociferous battle from both sides. Conference is part of the Nehru celebrations being done by the Congress, but the current controversy on discourse will make it a marked conference, with BJP keeping a hawk eye on its proceedings. With Ashar Khan in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.